Okay, I'm going to show you how to build a small child rocker out of oak. So I hope you enjoy this video. It's raining today, but it's not too cool, about 50-some degrees. So hope you enjoy this video. I don't know what age child that this would fit, but the lady want this for her grandchild. Want it for a Christmas present. Going together a little tight, but that's all right, you know. Okay, I'll put the sides in. How old this child is. Hey, make a cute little rocker here. I built a few of these, not that many. This makes 3 that I built this lady. I think she just gives them away. And I've got a regular rocker to build out of oak. I'll probably build it tomorrow. Now let's put the front together. Red oak's a beautiful wood. I love red oak. I love black oak. Going together pretty good. this like I do my bigger chairs. Still going together good. I like for them to go together good. May hit a stone block here. We'll get her though. There we go. There we go. Okay, so we'll square him up here. And see, it's setting pretty good. This is my squaring table. This here is square, so this will show me where I'm off a little bit or whatever, you know. Oh, it's looking pretty good. Might need to go just a little bit. If you don't get it now before you put it together, I mean, that's the way it'll stay, you know. All right, now for the slats. It just takes 6 for this. Compared to 9 for the bigger chair, then it took 11. It took 11 for the real big walnut rocker. So we'll do it like this, and I'll gauge it out about like that. I gauge it right here the same way, and right here. Go together about like the bigger rocker does. I'm sitting there where I can see it a little better. Now them trim nails are really holding that oak there. That oak is tough stuff, you know. All right, we'll do the back slat. Here they are. It just takes 3 of them. Okay, I've got to find my center here. So we've got 12 inches. So we'll go 5 inches. Leave a 2-inch space here for the middle to go. 5 inches, 7. Okay. Place that right in there. I space them 1.5 inches like I do my others. A lot smaller, but it still takes a... What hurts me is cutting all the parts out. I mean, that's slow part. All right, we're ready for the rockers now. So here's the rockers. They're what cute little rockers. I tell you what, them is nice. There we go. Being a little stubborn on me. We'll get her though. There we go. Now on this, I just put a little staple, a brad in it. That'll hold it. I see companies build big chairs, and that's all they do to them, you know. Put the arms on it. They're all little short arms there. They're cute. Go together just like a big rocker, but I put a staple in here, just like that. A child rocker don't require as much nailing stuff like a big rocker. Staple back there. There we go. There's the back to it, the side to it, the front to it. See if it'll rock. Yeah, it'll rock. So if you like that, you'll push the share button and also push the like button and the subscribe button. Subscribe to it. Thank you then.